How to open an HSBC bank account online in the UK. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can open an HSBC bank account. For this, you want to open up any web browser and search for HSBC UK. Now, tap on the bank account option from here. You want to go through all of this and then tap on the how to apply option. Then you want to select if you want to apply for a sole account or joint account. Select whichever you prefer. Now go through the eligibility, and if you are eligible, you want to tap on the confirm and start option. The first step is to enter your personal details, so go ahead and enter your email address. After that, you want to select your title, so select that. Then enter your first name. After that, enter your last name. Now select your gender. After that, you want to enter your date of birth. Once you have entered your date of birth, you want to select your place of birth. Now enter your nationality. Then enter your marital status. If you have a number of dependent children, go ahead and enter that here. Now tap on the continue option. On the next page, you will have to enter your phone number. Then enter your current residential address. Now enter when did you move to this address. After entering that, tap on the continue option. Here you will have to enter your financial details. Select your employment status. Then select your occupation. Now enter when did you start with your current employer. Pick an option that best describes you. After that, you will have to enter your income details, so enter your annual salary. Then select how often you are paid. Now enter your tax residency and then tap on the continue option. After that, follow the on-screen prompts, provide the necessary documents and verifications, and once that is done, your new account will be successfully opened. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.